What's up everyone? In this video, I'm excited to introduce Cutback and show you how it can transform your day-to-day editing. Cutback is a Premiere Pro extension that takes care of tedious tasks in your video editing, letting you focus on the creative aspects. Cutback offers AI-powered features that takes your video editing to the next level, and we'll cover them later in this video. Open Premiere Pro, head over to Window menu, Extensions, and you'll see Cutback listed there. Click on Cutback extension and watch it as it starts loading. And that's it. We're now ready to explore Cutback. Cutback makes adding captions super easy. Just click on the Create button on the Auto Caption editing menu. You'll see a bunch of options for customizing your captions. Cutback uses latest fine-tuned AI models, ensuring top-notch caption accuracy. Better than Whisper. You don't need to tweak most settings, but you can give the AI a heads up about specific details like pronouns or technical terms. If you have a script, just paste it in, and the AI will use it to improve caption accuracy. When you're ready, click the Create button. Once the AI finishes, you'll see a screen with various chapters and summaries. This helps you quickly understand the video's content without having to watch it all. One of the best features in Cutback is text-based editing. Instead of watching the video over and over to decide where to cut, you can do it by looking at the captions. If you see unneeded words, you can use shortcuts to mark those to delete. Press Enter to change lines, and then click Apply Edits to apply the changes you made to the sequence. The AI will automatically delete the parts you marked, making your editing process much faster. You know how YouTubers always seem to talk so smoothly? They cut out all the awkward pauses. Cutback can do this for you too. Click on the Remove Silence button and set how long the pauses should be. The AI will automatically detect pauses. You can apply edits again.
First up, let's talk about water's high specific heat. This means water.
And voila, you just made your video flow better. Finding the right images or videos for B-rolls can be a hassle, but not with Cutback. Use the Cutback browser to search for copyright-free images and videos. Click on Window, Extensions, and Cutback browser. For example, search for bird, and you'll get a list of bird images you can directly add to your sequence. You can do the same with videos. If you're working on a project about Snickers, just open Google and search for Nike. Find an image you like and click Add Images. It will appear in Cutback panel. You can even remove the background with a single click, making them ready to use in your video. Cutback also includes other handy AI image editing tools like upscaling, inpainting, etc. That's a quick intro to Cutback. You can try it for free using the link below. Thanks for watching.